What up, YouTube fam? Want to buy some household items for your home, but you don't want to spend a lot of money? I'm going to show you where you can shop items for your home. So, stay tuned. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are in the world today, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm standing in front of Ikea. So, come shop with me. Wow, amazing. Guys, look at here. Showroom full of sofas. I see they actually have one here. Very nice setup. How much is this? This is the combination as well. $5.99. I think that's a Fanala. Hope I pronounced that right. Also see over here, that's a nice setup they have. I see a love seat. Kivik, I guess that's how you pronounce it. It was $5.99. Now it's been reduced to $4.49. And it's this couch. Nice. I'm gonna pan back over here in this area because they have something caught my attention. It says new. So I'm assuming this is really not my taste. But if you're ever in Ikea and you see one of these, that means they're probably just came in the store sometime within the next month or so. And it says last chance for this item, which is this combination. It's $2.49. Nice. I'm just gonna kind of pan around so you guys can see a display of sofas, showroom. And this is actually located in the living room section. If you see, it says living room. Hey guys, if you're in the market for wall units and storage, this is where I'm headed to now. Is actually quite interesting. Got a lot of wall cabinets. What do you guys think? Nice living area. Have a lot of stuff. That's nice. Nice shelving. What is this? I think that's pronounced Hofsta. Dark brown shelving. This combination is 159 bucks. Not bad. Also, they have other items over here as well, other shelving items. See a nice bookcase they have here. Very nice. Is that what I think it is? If that is a Billy Oxburg, and guess what, folks? It is a Billy Oxburg clear bookcase. Wow. And it actually comes in white and black. Let's see. Billy Oxburg, white, black, clear case. $332. Not bad. Let's see what's in here. Wow, very nice. Hey guys, I had to pull the mask down for a minute. Thank you guys still for hanging out with me, shopping with me, but they have so much items and so much shopping here for you, even in this dining section. So if you guys are in the market for tables or chairs, this is your section. Now we are entering the bedroom section. One of my favorite sections at Ikea. As you see, they have plenty of options to choose from. The bedding section. Look at this space. Very nice. Let's see, bed frame high. It's $300. Nice.
Oh, folks, check out this amazing view. Wow. Let me just take a moment. All right, now we're going to head down and grab a cart so we can go to the marketplace to shop items. Let's see. Grab a cart. Okay. Okay, I guess I'll head to the jars right here. I think I can use $5.99. I think I can use a jar or two. Take this one. Yep. Okay, let's see what else I can find. Oh, mixing bowls. I've always wanted to mix a lot of my meats and seasonings, so let's see how much this is. $5.99. Yep, I guess I'll grab this. Yes. Okay. Moving on. Let's see. I always needed some of these. $2.99. Let's see. Yeah, I'll get 2 of these trays. Hey, you guys. Look like we just entered into the bathroom section. This is a nice setup. Nice vanity. Nice sink. What do you guys think? Nice. Now I'm gonna head over here into the bathroom area where you can get towels and rags, and I'm gonna just pan around so you guys can see what I see. They have a lot of assorted items, a lot of colors, pink, gray. I like the pink, very soft. I love the blue, but I'm gonna stick with this gray. This will definitely go with the decor that's in my bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the basket and move on, shall we? I can always use some of these rugs. Let's see. How much are they? $2.99. Nope, actually $9.99. Sorry about that, folks. This is a display, so I definitely can't use that. This is the nice brown one. Okay, so now we're over here at the basket section. I do have a pantry in my kitchen that will pretty much work perfectly. These baskets here, let me see. Oh, folks, a new item. Remember earlier in my early scenes, I pointed at new items? This is a new item. Let's see, Ins Vep, $11.99. Hope I pronounced that correctly, but I doubt it. I think I'm gonna get one, probably 2 of these because they go perfect with what I have set up in my kitchen. You guys, I am now entering the wall and decoration frame section. As you see, they have a lot of assorted frames, different sizes. I can definitely use a couple of these frames to go on my wall, either in the living space or my bedroom. Let's see, $12.99. I'm not going to try to pronounce that, sorry. So I'm just flipping through here to see what they have. I could use 2 of these. Let's see, $9.99. And I think this is pronounced Riba. Let's see. I think I'll take 2 of these. These will go perfectly on the wall, probably in my living area. Okay, you guys, I'm ready to check out. Oh, hey, you guys, I almost forgot. I know I just said I was going to go check out right now, but this is an important topic right here. This is a warehouse where your larger items are located here at Ikea. I am actually staring in front of me at an information kiosk, which is perfect because I am looking for a specific product, and this is where you guys would need to come if you guys are doing the same thing as I'm doing, looking for a product. As you see, the numbers indicates the aisle number, and it's saying that we are here. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm typing in the product name that I need for this bookshelf, which is a Hillis. So here's the item. Hillis $14.99, aisle 14, bin 19. See, I'm looking up on the information for it, and now I'm heading to aisle 14. And looking for aisle 14, bin 29. Perfect. As you see, aisle 14, bin 29. Voila, my bookshelf is here. You like it, guys? Hillis, and I'm out.
Okay, YouTube fam, thanks for shopping with me today. I hope this video gave you some great ideas for your home. Please drop down in the comment section some of the favorite things you liked about IKEA. Also, hit up that notification button for more videos. Remember, don't stop. Keep going. No, I'm filming. Thank you.